Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm comparing Gelax and Polygel on which one is better. If you do your nails at home or you're thinking of trying extension, this video will help you choose the right system for you. Gelax is a full cover soft gel tips system. Instead of building the nail from scratch, you apply a pre-shaped gel tips and cure it under a UV lamp. Gelax uses soft gel tips. It's applied with gel adhesive or extended gel. It cures under a UV or LED lamp, and the shape is already done for you. Polygel is a hybrid of acrylic and builder gel. You build the nail manually using a brush, slip solution, or alcohol, which gives you full control over thickness, shape, and length. And Polygel is stronger and more structured than Gelax. Polygel is hand-built. It doesn't move until you cure it and is ideal for overlays and extensions. And lastly, it needs proper filing and shaping. Gelax is faster because the shape is already there, and Polygel takes more time because you build and file everything yourself. Polygel is stronger and thicker, especially for long sets. Gelax is flexible and not heavy. Gelax is beginner friendly. And Polygel need practice and control. Gelax looks natural and thin, while Polygel looks structured and sculpted. Gelax need less filing, and the soak off is faster because it's soft gel. And Polygel usually needs more filing plus soaking. Gel-X is fast application, lightweight, beginner-friendly, and Polygel is strong, long-lasting, and custom shape and length. If you want something quick, neat, and lightweight, Gel-X is for you. And if you want strength, durability, and custom shaping, then Polygel is better choice. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Gel-X or Team Polygel? Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.